Hi, my name is Kendra and I am a naturalist with San Diego Canyonlands, and right now we are standing in Swan Canyon of City Heights, San Diego. Now Swan Canyon is a very important place for wildlife because it's right in the middle of a big city. So we have busy streets and big buildings where plants and animals can't really survive. However, this canyon gives them a habitat or a home to live in. We are going to talk about a really big, fancy scientific word today called biodiversity. Biodiversity is big, so let's break it down. Bio means life, and diversity means variety, or a bunch of different types of things. So biodiversity means a bunch of different types of life or living things. And right here in San Diego, we have the most biodiversity, meaning the most different types of living things living together than any other city in the lower 48 states, which is pretty cool. So today we are going to observe all the biodiversity that's in this canyon in City Heights. And the best way to learn is just to walk through and observe like a true scientist. So come on, let's get started. Alright, we made it to the bottom of Swan Canyon, and we are going to take just about 30 seconds to observe the biodiversity that we see. So we're going to listen for the birds and look out to see all the different types of plants and insects and maybe animals that we see. Oh my gosh, I saw like over 20 plants. I saw like 6 or 7 birds, a couple moths and bees, but that's just the life that we can see right now. But there is life all around us that we can't see. in the dirt, under the barks of trees, in the bushes. Seeing all the different types of plants is pretty easy because they don't fly away like birds do. But there are so many types of birds that rely on the plants here. I just wanted to show you a couple feathers from those birds. So this is from a northern mockingbird, and you can actually hear him right now. They have really long tails, and this is a tail feather. This is a native species here. It is of American crow. Notice how it's all black. These birds are all black. This is a northern flicker. Notice how it's red and black and white. It's a very beautiful bird. And this is from a mourning dove, which you may have seen in your backyard. This goes to show that there is so much biodiversity right here in this canyon. But let's keep observing and keep hiking. Come on. Alright, my fellow scientists, we're almost to the other end of the canyon, but we keep finding more and more diversity in our plants and our animals. So you may be wondering, why is biodiversity important? Well, every plant and insect and bird and mammal all play a very important role in the health of our ecosystem of the canyon. So the more different types of plants and animals we have, the healthier the canyon is. This section of the trail is really cool because we're just in a little teeny tiny place, but there are over 6 types of plants that are living all together right here. So this is an everlasting. This is a lemonade berry. This right here is California buckwheat. Back there you can see yerba santa, and right here is called San Diego wire lettuce. We made it to the other side of Swan Canyon, and today you learned a new scientific word and observed the biodiversity of Swan Canyon. Remember that biodiversity means a variety or different types of life living in one place. Now, make sure that you're observing all the different types of wildlife that you see in your everyday life. And can you remember all the things that we saw today? There sure is a lot of biodiversity right here in San Diego.